Hello children, you must have compared your height with your friends, haven't you? Do you know how you can measure length? You can measure length using different objects. Here we have this eraser. I am going to measure the length of this bottle and this jar using this eraser. You can see the bottle is longer than the jar. Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the length of the bottle is equal to 7 erasers, right? Now let us take this jar and measure the length using this eraser again. 1, 2 and nearly 3. So length of the jar is equal to 3 erasers. So when we measured the length of the bottle and the jar using the same eraser, we realized that bottle is longer than the jar. We can also use our body parts to measure length. I can use my hand span to measure the side of this chart paper. You know that this side of the chart paper is called the length and this is called the breadth. Let us measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the length of the chart is 4 hand spans. Now let us measure the breadth. 1, 2, 3. So breadth of the chart paper is 3 hand spans. So do you see that this side is longer than this side? Same way you can use your foot span, pace, the cubit of your arm to measure length. Interesting, isn't it? You can measure the length and breadth of your bed using your hand span, right? Now let us do something else. We are going to check the capacity. What is capacity? Capacity means how much liquid a vessel, a bottle or a jar can hold. Do you know how much liquid your bottle can hold? I have these 2 jars with me which are of same capacity. I want to check the capacity of these 2 small jars. I will first name them. This is my jar A. This is my jar B. Now I will use jar A to fill this jar to a certain level, and then I will use jar B to fill the other jar to the same level. So I have already put in 2. This is third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So I have been able to fill this jar till this level using 7 of these jars. So to fill the big jar to a certain level, of course, I have used 7 times jar A. Now I am going to do the same thing with jar B in this jar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the second big jar, which is of the same capacity as the earlier jar, has been filled 5 times by jar B. So that means the capacity of jar B is more than capacity of jar A. Interesting, isn't it? Now let us check something else. This time we are going to check weight. What is weight? Weight is how heavy or light something is. So can you tell me whether this pencil is lighter than your school bag or is it heavier than your school bag? Now you will say that is obvious that your school bag is heavier than the pencil. But how can we measure weight? I am going to measure the weight of this duster using these marbles here. I'll place marbles in this till the needle here comes in the middle. I've placed 3 marbles till now. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this duster is equal to weight with 12 marbles. So weight of the duster is equal to 12 marbles. Now let us check the weight of this book. Oh, this is heavier than 12 marbles. So let us add some more. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Is my needle in the middle? Yes. So the weight of the book is equal to 25 marbles. So what have we done? We used marbles to compare the weight of duster and book. So that means book is heavier than the duster. Did you enjoy the class today? Did you understand how we can measure length, capacity and weight of different objects using the same common object to measure them out? So what did we do? We measured the length using hand span and the eraser. Then we measured the capacity using jars and we measured the weight using marbles. Enjoyed your class? Bye for now.